trial is still going on. The courts are convinced that the person shall appear for the next hearing, then it would be wise for courts to grant them their liberty until the matters are disposed. Justice Masaru Musene, in the case of Kiza Besigye versus Uganda, criminal application number 3 of 2016, also held that the courts, and I quote, have to consider the balance of the rights of the individuals, and particularly with regard to personal liberty. The same worship was echoed earlier by the Honorable Justice Ogola, Principal Judge, as was then in miscellaneous application number 228 of 205, wherein the Land Justice noted that liberty is the very essence of freedom and democracy. In our constitutional matrix here in Uganda, liberty looms large. The liberty of one is the liberty of all. Your Worship, Section 77(2) stipulates the ground under which this application may be granted. The video is spread. Your Worship, Mr. Ibrahim Kusubira is a law-abiding citizen of Uganda who was on precedence and record called to appear before the Uganda police, report statements in the matter, and also appear on the 3rd, which he complied to, and he has clearly stated that he is a law-abiding citizen explicitly. He is here before you. He has not taken any trouble in his arrest, and indeed he will appear before you whenever he is wanted. Mr. Tusubira has a fixed place of abode at Block 92 Bongo Road, Nakasero 3 Parish, Kampala Central, which is within the jurisdiction of this honorable court. If it may please your worship, it's clear from that Mr. Ibrahim Kusubira can be summoned at any time, and he will make appearances before this honorable court. Thirdly, your worship, Mr. Kusubira has presented substantive surety before you that will compel him to appear for all proceedings before this court. He is going to present, but he has them. Your worship, the substantive sureties that we have who are present here in court shall be presented to you, if you may please. Your worship. They include Mr. Kenya Nelson, they include Mr. Kenya Nelson, age 41.
These days we've been haggling with helping people restore their nationality. It becomes costly when they lose them. The national biodata is available for anyone to check as to whether she's the person or not.
How many sureties are you selling?
I intend to present 4 sureties. Mr. Kenya Nelson, Nabangubi Jennifer, Sempija Abdurrahman, and Mr. Magezi Henry. Also, surety number 5 is Madame Nabukela Ashi. With your permission, Your Worship.
Why is it just yourself?
That's it.
So why has the lady been presented?
It was an error. This proves that he's a Uganda. Your Worship,
Even an even that has the right to apply.
he is elderly, he's 49, and that one I'll come to us.
Also, we're doing the sureties. I'm afraid I prefer comparing copies with originals. So you might have to give out Naka with Jennifer and proceed with this who presented original. Right?
Your Worship, I would like to persuade you in this matter that normally most people, I don't object, but we've had huge complaints coming from Uganda, not from here, and this can be frequent to us, even at Parliament, that they do not normally prefer moving without internationality because the cost of replacement and the time, which is true, and many of your people in your magisterial area, your worship, have been privy to this before. But if required, it can also be presented at that time when you may require it, your worship. For
I
sure.
already have more sureties here. I do not know what interest is this particular one.
Most obliged, your worship. It's for the report.
Hey, Sandwich. Sandwich, you made it. Your name? Amanya Kosero. How old are you?
Most obliged, Your Worship.
Yes, Mr. Senator. Where are you going? What's happening? Will it some few minutes of consultation? I give you all time.
Your Worship, if you give me 3 minutes.
Your upright charities are going off now.
Your Worship, very many people have what phobia.
Mainly those that have never feared before you at least
You
have
have 3 minutes.
Ekiriwo kkooti eyabuse abajulizi ababadde bayimirira Isma All Access yayogera ku Suuna Jennifer Susira wali talina ID original ate omulala ayogedde nga atamatama kugamba ati oyoga olabye looya Nsereko Muhammad w'MP Kampala Central abaddewo ku lwa Isma kusaba kkooti omulimu eddakiika nga 3 omujulizi akankanye ennyo addemu ku ndasi.
President, omusajja bamukusiza kamera wannaye tuli wano tunoonya engeri gy'okweyimiriramu abasajja batuliza kamera everywhere.
Kiki ekibaddewo?
Ekibaddewo omulamuzi asazeewo abawaabirwa basooke bafunemu akadde bainteractinge bafune kye bajja nakyo okupresentinga.
President, wano temanyina kumanya mana tamanyi wabeera omweyimiriza tukubye omukuba ogusembayo
ate n'oyo n'abayambi
omweyimiriza
by the way, kama tusaasire
tuseeko ku kkooti omweyimirizi bw'agambye tamanyi gy'abeera
kama tusaasire
isima tumusabire kuba omweyimirizi yagambye simanyi
gy'embeera.
era kati kkooti ewummuddemu omweyimirizi asobole okujjukira gy'abeera okirabye otya
nkugambe pulezidenti omweyimiri agenze n'agamba tamanyi kyalo gy'abeera muganda we
bambuze ekyalo oba ekitundu
atamanyiyo yaba naye saala zokka
abadde nga tebalina kigambo village
saala zokka
naye katusuubire bwagenda okukomerawo agenda kubajjukiza
wabeera
awo omulamuzi ne babuzisa mu luganda nti ekyalo era n'ekyalo nekigaana
village n'ekitundu byanjawulo
byebimu
kati ekyalo kuleke makinge wali olubaga
oli baba oluzungu talutegeera oli amugambye mu luganda ekyalo
nandibadde ndowooza nti nayefanagana
nayoleke yenyini sound anyone ogembiddeko ka banaye katusooke tubasiibule tunaakomawo edda nga kkooti ezzeemu katugira tuggwamu ekikangabwa omwana n'atamanya gy'abeera